Have you ever wished learning was fun again? What if studying felt like watching your favorite cartoon, but every second actually made you smarter? Welcome to Smart Doodle, where ideas come to life, one doodle at a time. If you're tired of study methods that don't stick, you need this visual approach. Most people highlight everything, reread notes 5 times, and still forget everything by test day. The problem isn't your memory, it's your method. You're using techniques that fight against how your brain actually learns. I'm the creator behind Smart Doodle. I've spent years exploring how our brain works, how we focus, and how tiny mindset shifts can completely change your life. I wanted to take all those lessons from psychology, productivity, and education and transform them into something visual, simple, and fun. So I grabbed my digital pen and Smart Doodle was born. Here, we turn complex ideas into stick-figure animations that are short, powerful, and easy to remember. Smart Doodle isn't about being artistic, it's about being smart. You take any concept and break it down into basic visual elements. Stick figures, arrows, simple shapes, that's it. Your brain processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text. So instead of cramming words, you're creating memory highways that stick. Let me show you the first technique. The visual anchor. When you're studying something abstract like photosynthesis, don't just read about it, draw the simplest stick figure tree you can imagine. Add basic arrows showing sunlight going in and oxygen coming out. Throw in a circle with straight lines for the sun. That's it. No artistic skills needed. These crude, simple drawings give your brain multiple hooks to grab onto. The visual, the spatial relationship, the movement of the arrows, that's 3 memory pathways instead of 1. Here's where it gets powerful. The mind map matrix. Start with your main topic in the center as a simple shape. Branch out with stick figure scenarios for each subtopic. For history dates, draw a timeline with stick figures acting out key events. For math formulas, create visual stories where numbers become characters. Your stick figure becomes the hero solving problems step by step. The science backs this up completely. It's called dual coding theory. Your brain has 2 processing systems, verbal and visual. Most study methods only use the verbal system. Smart Doodle activates both simultaneously. When you draw a concept while thinking about it, you're literally doubling your memory encoding. The thing is, you don't need perfect drawings. Messy works better. Your brain remembers things you create more than things you just consume. When you doodle that stick figure explaining gravity, you're experiencing it through creation. That's the difference between passive reading and active encoding. Each Smart Doodle video is designed to help you study smarter, understand your thoughts and emotions, build habits that actually last, and stay motivated even when life gets tough. Because Smart Doodle isn't just about learning facts. It's about learning yourself. It's about mastering the inner game so you can win in the real world. So here's your challenge. Pick one concept you're struggling with right now. Grab a pen and paper. Draw it as simply as possible using stick figures and basic shapes. Don't worry about making it pretty, make it memorable. If you're someone who loves learning, self-growth, and thinking differently, hit that subscribe button and join the Smart Doodle community today. I'm breaking down the psychology of learning with simple visuals that stick. Because here, we don't just draw doodles, we draw the future of smart thinking.